When I met with my mastermind group at the beginning of January, among the topics that we talked about were two very important things: insanity and complacency. Let me dive into these two things. Insanity, of course, is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So if your plan is to grow your voiceover business in 2024, but you're going to keep doing all of the things that you've always done, you're going to end up with the exact same results that you've always ended up with. So you've got to do things differently, otherwise it's insanity. The second concept was complacency. For some voice actors, maybe you're doing really well in your business, or you've done really well in your business, but now things have started to slide. And that is because of complacency. When we get to a certain point in our business, when we're making a certain amount of money or we've got a certain number of clients, the very first thing we stop doing are all of the things that got us to that point. That is complacency. So if your business is being impacted by either insanity or complacency, that is doing the same things but expecting a different result, or stopping doing the things that you did that got you there in the first place, then maybe it's time for a kickstart. And that's where Voice Over Marketing Playbook can come in. I want to teach you how to be a confident and effective marketer. I want to teach you how to do the things that you need to do consistently in order to build the business that you dream about having, where complacency and insanity aren't going to matter. Voice Over Marketing Playbook is a step-by-step marketing program that is going to teach you how to find your own leads, build your own client base, and become the consistently working voice actor that you want to be. Buy the course, learn at your leisure, work your way through the program at your pace, and by the way, you're always going to have access and you're always going to get the updates, so you'll always have the most current information. This is the course that is going to give you actionable, practical advice that is going to make you a more confident and effective marketer. And that is how you're going to grow your voiceover business. Playbook is available now through January 17th, 2024, and you can get all the details and sign up at voiceovermarketingplaybook.com. There are 3 different packages. Playbook Basic is the course only. Playbook Plus is the video course, which is about 8 hours, by the way, plus 1 hour of private coaching. Playbook Complete, that's everything. You're going to get 8 hours of the video course, you're going to get 2 hours of private coaching, plus you're going to get access to 4 of my master classes, including Follow-Up Academy, Booking in Your Backyard, Making Money with LinkedIn, and 101 Ways to Find Voiceover Leads. So literally everything. You can get the details on every single package and what the course includes at voiceovermarketingplaybook.com. That's where you can sign up as well. voiceovermarketingplaybook.com, available until January 17th, 2024. voiceovermarketingplaybook.com.